guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from FabFitFun. Cute box, as always. It does feel very light, and I did get to pick my items because I am a VIP member, which just basically means you sign up for the whole year. I do have, I already forgot what the items are though, so got some stickers on top. Raylan can have those. Hold on, not yet. She's helping me today. I have my magazine. And it did come with a promo code, but I do have one that I can put below. That'll save you money off your first subscription for FabFitFun. I love these little magazines. It has, you know, tips, tricks, talks about the products, stuff like that. And recipes. Love that. It used to tell you like every product and how much it valued for, but they haven't been doing that lately. So let's see what's in here. Oh, I do remember that. I did pick these for my mom because she always has her hair up in these, and you know how they are. Sometimes you break them, sometimes you lose them. So those are for my mama. Then we have Human Plus Kind. This is a moisturizing hand scrub with elderflower and raspberry. So that is awesome. Definitely will use that. But that smells good too. All right, pick the next item, Raylan. I knew you were gonna go for that. It's a pretty bottle, isn't it? This is, it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. It is a pretty bottle. That's right. So we have that. Then we have from Eyeshadow Double Act. It's a shadow stick with a sharpener. I like Eyeshadow a lot. It's a cute little package. All right, what else do you got? Something from Kate Spade. Looks like earrings, maybe. Oh, because I love jewelry. Okay. Oh, those are pretty.
It's earrings.
Yeah, my earrings are very small compared to this, and I normally don't change them out, but those are really cute. Not sure I would wear them. I think they'd be too big for what I normally wear, but they're cute. Okay. Then we have a cuticle cream from London Town. A light luxe cream infused with powerful probiotic and rice water to help hydrate your dehydrated cuticles. Definitely use that. Oh, these are cute. Some house slippers. And I like that they're like the open ones because I hate the slipper kind. So those are nice. Very cool. And it's maybe the last item. It appears so. There's some HelloFresh codes in there. And I think this is a robe. Yep, satin robe. That's really pretty. Blue with some flowers on it. Very nice. Lots of cozy items, and those kind of like match too, which is awesome. So that is what I got in my FabFitFun box this time. I've been subscribed for years, so if you want to go look at playlists, you can definitely find those on my channel. And if you want to see, if you want a discount off your order, I will put the promo code below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.